Let me tell you something shocking. In 2026, companies are literally begging for blockchain talent but still rejecting 90% of applicants. You know why? Because most people are learning blockchain the wrong way. They watch tutorials, take notes, maybe even finish a course and then apply for internships thinking, ab to ho hi jayega. But reality? No replies, no interviews, just silence. So in this video, I am going to show you the exact roadmap to land a blockchain internship in 2026, even if you are starting from zero. No fake promises, no complicated jargon, just what actually works. Imagine two students, Rahul and Ananya. Rahul watches 50 YouTube videos on blockchain, completes 3 courses and proudly writes blockchain enthusiast in his bio. And Ananya, she watches just 10 videos but builds 2 small projects. Guess who gets the internship? Exactly, not the one who knows more, but the one who can show more. And see, here's the truth no one tells you. Companies don't care how many hours you studied. They care about one thing. Can you actually build something? Because in blockchain, theory is cheap, execution is rare, and rare is equal to valuable. So first, let's fix the foundation. See, you don't need to learn everything. Just focus on the stack. Understand how blockchain works, blocks, transaction wallets, then move to smart contracts, mainly Solidity, and basic front-end, just enough to connect your contract. That's it. Don't try to become everything developer, just become useful developer. So, because right now many people are like, I know blockchain, AI, Web3, machine learning, cybersecurity, blah 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 and so on. But ask them to build one simple dApp and system crash. So this is where most people lose and you win. Instead of saying I learned Solidity, show I built a voting dApp. I created an NFT minting website. I deployed a smart contract on testnet. See, even small projects work because for a recruiter, a small real project is much better than a big theoretical knowledge. See, there are so many students with 0 degrees but strong data profiles getting internships faster than computer science graduates. Why? Because proof beats promise. Now listen carefully. This is your shortcut. Create 3 things: a GitHub profile with 2-3 projects, a LinkedIn profile showing your journey, and a simple portfolio. Because when someone checks you, they should feel, okay, this person is serious. You know, most people apply like this. Click, apply, wait, repeat, cry. So don't do that. Instead, go to startup founders, DM them directly, show your projects, say, hey, I built this, can I contribute? Because this one message is more powerful than 100 applications. See, startups don't care about your resume design. They care if you can solve their headache. Also, let me be honest with you. You might get ignored, you might get rejected, you might feel like ये सब काम नहीं कर रहा. But person who wins is not the smartest. It's the one who didn't quit. Right now you're watching this video, which means somewhere inside you want to do something big. Not just scroll Instagram, not just watch others succeed, but actually build something of your own, right? And this is your entry point. So here's what I want you to do right now. Don't just watch this video and forget. Go build your first mini blockchain project today. Even if it's small, even if it's imperfect. And comment below, I started, because that one step can literally change your career. See, remember in 2026, blockchain opportunities are massive. But they don't go to the people who know. They go to the people who show. So start small, stay consistent, and listen, in the next video I am going to give you 10 powerful blockchain project ideas that can literally help you land your first internship. So don't miss it.